Alright, so I have this box, and I had ordered this stuff a long time ago, but I just now am going through it and seeing what it actually is. So if you want to hang around for a bit, you can unbox with me. So I ordered hand shoes, a robe, a backdrop, shoes, and a camera. So let's open it up and see what exactly it is. Got some instructions. Like a whole lot of instructions. Look at that. Oh, and a disc. Well, that's pretty cool. It's like Photoshop or something. That's pretty cool. Movie Maker. So here's the actual thing. Charger. It's pretty cute. And that plugs to the computer. It's compact size. I can fit it in my pocket. It's pretty cool. Good deal. Look what fell out. This fell out. It's just a handle I hook onto there so I can hold it on my wrist. Alright, so these dance shoes I have next. They're like canvas shoes. Check them out. Fourth pair. It's pretty cool. They're pretty thin and soft, and they look real comfortable. Keep your feet dry. They look like they'll last. Yeah, I like them. Alright, so this is my new backdrop. That's just some detail. This is pretty nice. I had ordered one for something else that I was ordering it for, not for me. But this is one that I will be using for videotaping, and I like it a lot. Let's see. So these are the sandals. They have like a cool sole. They look sturdy enough to walk in, and also comfortable enough that they're not gonna hurt my feet after a while. So I have this robe. Here's the band. It's pretty wide. Pretty wide band.